Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of B to Z. Some of you remember that my apiary is located at my house. My house is in South Florida on the Treasure Coast, and it's May 21st, 2018. And the rain has just been relentless. It has been raining for 2 weeks straight, non-stop. So just wanted to show you what the bees are doing with all this, even though it's been raining this much. And as you can see, even with the rain, they're still out. They're out and they're doing their thing. They're not out as if it was a sunny day, but they're still out. They're still go out and in the rain. So some hives have more activity than others, but you can rest assured that even though it rains, the bees are out. I'm going to assume that, they still go out so they can still defecate, maybe drink water, etc. I don't see anybody bringing in any pollen. I wouldn't think that there'd be any pollen that they can get with all this wet rain. The pollen would be all wet. So, but for sure, they still come out and do something. That's it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick video showing you that even though it's raining, and it's been raining for days on end, you'll still get activity. Your bees will still go out. Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, post them down below. And if there's any other videos, you have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead and post those down below too. Give me some ideas on what else you guys would prefer to see next time. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching another episode of B to Z.